In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change site name in Wix. If you need to rename one of your websites in Wix, the good news is that the process is very quick and simple once you know where to look. This is useful if you're reorganizing your projects, updating your branding, or just correcting the title of a site so it's easier to identify inside your dashboard. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and looking at your dashboard. From there, go to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a drop-down menu there, and this is where you can switch between your different websites and access your full site list. Click that drop-down and then choose the option to go to All Sites. This will open the full list of websites connected to your account, which is especially helpful if you manage more than one site and need to find a specific one. Once you're on the All Sites page, look through the list and find the website whose name you want to change. When you find it, move your mouse over that site. Hovering over it will reveal additional options related to that website. From those options, click Rename Site. This is the setting that lets you update the name Wix uses to label that site in your account. After you click it, a field will appear where you can edit the current site name. Now simply type in the new name you want for your website. Make sure the name is clear and easy for you to recognize later, especially if you have multiple projects in the same account. This name helps you stay organized inside Wix, so it's a good idea to choose something accurate and consistent with your branding or internal naming system. After entering the new site name, complete the rename action in the prompt or field shown on your screen. Once that's done, your site will display the updated name in your Wix account. And that's it. That's how to change a site name in Wix. As a quick tip, remember that changing the site name in your dashboard helps with organization, but depending on your setup, it may not automatically change other public-facing elements like your domain or page titles. So if you're rebranding, you may want to review those separately as well. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to rename your Wix site quickly and easily.